Uh-huh.
Then we jinxed it. I see it in there. I see a little flag.
Oh, yeah.
I don't think that's good though. Feels like it's been 30 minutes since 1 minute.
I know. Oh, sweet. Yeah. Let's get one more good one.
Yeah, those two weren't good. The first one I saw was like crazy.
It's went off about 5 times, though, since I've been just standing out here.
My, Alfred, him and his wife met actually in AA. But they're the coolest. They're like normal fucking addicts. They can, like, if you're gonna lick it, then you should be able to handle life. You should be able to go buy a Coors Light and not drink it.
Yeah.
Which is what they do. They have parties at their house and they go buy a bunch of booze and load coolers up and all that shit. Never touch a drop. But the deal is, when you leave, take it with you. We don't need it.
Right. Yeah, we don't need that around.
So look, I help Alfred bring a 10 and he goes, hey, you're present.
Show me that. There you go.
He said, you're present. Oh, this is a case. There's 24 in here. I know it's a case. Because you're present for helping me bring that in is that case of Coors Light.
There you go.
Hey,
Hell yeah, you got your suitcase.
to them, they're not going to drink it, but why have it around?
That's right. You'll take care of that for them.
Yeah, I'm here to help, brother. Hey, you want anything?
I'm all good, buddy. Oh, that was a good one.